Good day friends, and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to dig deeper into the world of business consulting. So let's get started. Consulting in business refers to the practice of providing expert advice and guidance to organizations in order to help them solve specific problems, improve performance, and achieve their business goals. Consultants are professionals who possess specialized knowledge and skills in various fields such as management, strategy, finance, human resources, marketing, and more. They work closely with clients to analyze their current situation, identify areas of improvement, and develop tailored solutions. Consultants typically work on a project basis, collaborating with clients to understand their unique needs and challenges. They conduct in-depth research, gather data, analyze market trends, and evaluate internal processes to provide objective insights and recommendations. Consultants may also assist in implementing the proposed strategies, monitoring progress, and measuring the impact of their interventions. Their expertise and external perspective often bring fresh ideas and best practices to the table, helping organizations navigate complex business environments and make informed decisions to drive success. There are several advantages to having a business consultant. Expertise and specialized knowledge. Business consultants bring a wealth of expertise and specialized knowledge to the table. They have experience working with a variety of organizations and industries, which allows them to provide valuable insights and solutions tailored to your specific business challenges. Their deep understanding of best practices, industry trends, and emerging technologies can help you stay ahead of the competition and make informed decisions. Objective and external perspective. Consultants offer an objective and unbiased perspective on your business. They can identify and address issues that may be overlooked or ignored internally due to familiarity or internal biases. By analyzing your organization's processes, operations, and strategies from an outsider's viewpoint, they can provide valuable recommendations and solutions to improve efficiency, streamline operations, and enhance overall performance. Time and cost savings. Hiring a consultant can save you time and money. They have the skills and experience to quickly identify problems and develop effective solutions, minimizing the trial and error process. By leveraging their expertise, you can avoid costly mistakes and make more strategic decisions. Additionally, consultants can provide temporary or project-based support, allowing you to access specialized knowledge without the long-term commitment and overhead costs associated with hiring full-time employees. Skill augmentation and training. Consultants can also provide skill augmentation and training to your existing team. They can transfer their knowledge and expertise to your employees, equipping them with new skills and capabilities that can contribute to long-term growth and success. Consultants can develop training programs, conduct workshops, and provide coaching to help your team develop the necessary skills and knowledge required to excel in their roles. Network and resources. Business consultants often have an extensive network of contacts in various industries. They can leverage these connections to provide additional resources and expertise when needed. Whether it's connecting you with potential partners, suppliers, or industry experts, consultants can help expand your network and provide access to valuable resources that can support your business objectives. Overall, having a business consultant can provide you with strategic guidance, objective insights, and specialized knowledge to drive your business forward, enhance performance, and overcome challenges effectively. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, consider giving us a like as well as hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.